Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Easy Food with Darshan Gokani. Today I am going to show you how to make a salad that can be eaten in a sandwich or in a roll or relished just as is. And to make egg salad DG style, you need boiled eggs, green chilies, lime, chives, onions, celery, mustard, mayonnaise, salt and pepper. Let's get going. Alright, this is egg number 4. I'm just going to show you how I've chopped it. Cut into half. The cuts and further chop. That's how simple it is. Put it in the bowl. So that's 4 boiled eggs chopped. To this, add in your green chilies. I have taken half a green chili, a little bit of chives, onions finely chopped, 1.5 tablespoons of onion, about half an inch of celery finely chopped, mustard powder. You can even use mustard if you like the taste. I have about a teaspoon mayonnaise. I'm going to put 2 heaps for now, 1.5. You can always add more when required. A little bit of salt and pepper. We've got a lime. Just a few drops of lime is fine. Give it a nice mix. Check for salt. That's good. Your egg salad is ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching this episode with me. Please cook it, click it and post it on Easy Food with DG. If you still haven't subscribed onto my YouTube channel, kindly do so. See you next time.